I have an awesome new item for you today. This is the ELEHEAR Alpha Pros. These are smart hearing aids. They use AI technology to distinguish human voices from background noises. Let's see what's all included. Traditional hearing aids are very expensive. With these ELEHEAR hearing aids, you can get these for a discounted price. I really like the AI technology built into these hearing aids. It does a good job at distinguishing the background noise from human voices. Traditional hearing aids would lower the voice and the background noise. With these, it cuts out the background noise while enhancing human voice. It also comes featured with a long battery life. You can enjoy up to 20 hours of battery life. With the charging box, you can get an additional 7 charges, resulting in a total of 160 hours total battery life. You can also get professional audiologist guidance support from ELEHEAR's website. It will be linked down below. If you have any questions trying to find your perfect fit hearing aids, over-the-counter hearing aids are for adults with perceived mild to moderate hearing loss. Another really cool feature is you can download ELEHEAR's app from the App Store. It will be linked down below, and you can fully customize your hearing aids. And it also has instructional videos inside the app to make sure you're using your hearing aids properly. So I wanted to demonstrate myself wearing the hearing aid. From the front, you can barely tell I'm even wearing a hearing aid. And they're very easy to put in. You just line it up on the back of your ear and make sure you put this completely in your ear canal. Just like that. I mean, you can barely tell I'm wearing them from the front. From the back. Absolutely had a blast trying these hearing aids out. I could not believe how crystal clear the sound was from these. Check them out, they'll be linked down below.